Hello students, welcome back. In the earlier three videos, we have seen that how to find out trigonometric ratios when any of two sides are given. Now fourth problem, which is stated here, and fifth problem are similar to first three problems. We'll follow the same steps in order to find out the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, first we'll start with fourth problem. Now here what is given in fourth problem, 15 cot A equals to 8. Now in order to find out the trigonometric ratio cot A, divide by 15 on both sides. So 8 by 15. Now we know that cot represents, cot theta or cot A, whatever it may be, the angle represents the ratio of adjacent by opposite. So here 8 is adjacent to the angle A and 15 is opposite to the angle A. Now let's draw a right angle triangle which represents this ratio. Now from here we are measuring angle A, this is B and this is C, right angled at 90 degrees at B. Now with respect to angle A, the adjacent side is this and opposite side is this. The value of adjacent side is 8, and the value of opposite side is 15. In the same way, we need to find out the third side, which is hypotenuse. So we'll use the same Pythagoras theorem, which states that opposite side square plus adjacent side square is equals to hypotenuse side square. Here opposite is given, which is 15 square, plus adjacent is given, which is 8 square, is equals to hypotenuse, which is AC square. 15 square is 225 plus 8 square is 64, which is equals to AC square. The sum of 225 plus 64 is 289. Therefore AC equals to, or AC square equals to 289. Now when we remove the root, we will get root 289, which is equals to root underscore 17 into 17, which is equals to 17 centimeter. So the value of AC is 17 centimeter. Now we know, from this we know opposite, the value of opposite is equals to 15, the value of adjacent is equals to 8, and the value of hypotenuse is equals to 17. So always see that the third side, which is hypotenuse, is always greater than the other two sides. So our answer is correct. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out sine A and secant A. Sine A, first bit, sine A is the ratio of opposite by hypotenuse, which will equal to, opposite is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. So the value is 15 by 17. Second one is, so we have seen that the value of opposite is 15, value of adjacent is 8, and the value of hypotenuse is 17. Now we already found out that sine A. Now we need to find out the second bit, which is secant A. Secant A is the reciprocal of 1 by cos A, and we know that the trigonometric ratio of cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, so we can write it as 1 by adjacent by hypotenuse, which will equal to hypotenuse adjacent, which will equal to hypotenuse is 17 and adjacent is 8. Now these are the two trigonometric ratios of sin A and secant A. Now problem 5 is similar to the above problem and all above problems. We can see that in problem 5 it is given as secant theta is equals to 13 by 12. Now here 13 represents secant. We know what is secant. Secant is 1 by cos. So 1 by cos represents 13 is hypotenuse. Adjacent 12 is adjacent. So what we need to find out? We need to find out opposite. Now this problem I left to you. Just work out it, and later if you got any doubts you can ask me. Meanwhile we'll see the problem number 6, which is a little bit interesting problem. Thank you.